All right, guys, so I'm gonna do a video on this headlight corner tint. Let me know if you guys like it or not. That's the factory side. And then this is the side I just did. So I'm gonna make this video real quick, but you guys let me know in the comments if you like this side better or the factory side better. All right. All right, so I just cleaned off this. So you can use soapy water or just regular water. I chose regular water. And this is the Tint kit. I got this from American Muscle. This kit actually fits really good, guys. Really good. It didn't do all that crazy overlapping like some of these other ones. So it actually fits in that area really good. So get yourself a microfiber, and then I can find it. One of these squeegees. This came with the kit also. So get you one of those. I already cleaned this area off. So I'm gonna squirt this down. I'm using a blow dryer instead of a heat gun. Same stuff. Fill this back. Oh, come on out there. There we go. So the side that's stuck to the paper is the side that sticks to there. Draw it off like that. We'll go ahead and get this wet. And then we'll go ahead and get this wet. Bring the camera in some. So this sticks up here pretty well on this kit. It sits really good on there. Some of the other kits actually overlap extremely too far upwards or downwards or in the back, and it makes them hard to get the wrinkles out of. So this kit right off the bat, as soon as you lay it up there, it's going to shift around a little bit, but right off the bat this kit fits really good. So I'm going to get it about right there. I'm going to overlap this back just a hair, just so it wrinkles around that back side a little bit and holds. Put some more water on it. Now I'm going to take this, wrap that up in there. I'm going to check this other side and make sure it's the same area as that one, same height, all that good stuff. Down just a little bit back there. Yeah. So as you can see, you should be able to see this in the camera. That almost tucks perfectly good with that top line right there instead of overlapping so much that you have to roll it up in the fender. And the same with the bottom there. It just goes nice and neat. So this kit from American Muscle, I definitely like this. A little bit more water. Now we'll start rolling these bubbles out. Inside out, guys. Inside out. It's going to shift around on you a little bit. Just make sure it doesn't move too much. Put it back in place. Start shifting, don't freak out, just move it back where it goes. See, so right off the bat, as soon as I put that on, and squeegee them bubbles out, it's almost exactly where I need it, and it almost looks perfect right off the bat. So see if I can shift it down just a hair. Water. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to come down just a little bit. Like I said, as soon as you put it on there, it's almost ready to go right off the bat. I'm gonna finish working on that middle, work all the bubbles out, and then get around all the edges. So guys, with this kit from American Muscle, that's pretty much all you'd have to do, and it would already be ready. I got OCD, so I'm gonna sit here and tamper with this for a minute, but that's pretty much done right off the bat. That's how nice that kit sits on there. There's not a whole lot of work that goes to it. So, like I said, some of the other kits have wrapped too far around, and you'd be sitting there messing with this for hours. So, between the both sides, anyway. But I'm gonna heat that up a little bit more, and then I'll be finished with it. Like I said, I'm pretty much finished with it now. I'm gonna finish wrapping them corners a little bit more, but they're pretty much for the most part already done. But you guys let me know in the comments down below if you like that look better or that factory look. Peace.